everyone, thank you so much for stopping in. I greatly appreciate it. I have 2 packages to share today. One is going to be from Laura Geller. I received a PR package from them. I'm thrilled because you know I'm a huge Laura Geller makeup wearer. I have more than my share of foundations, blushes, all that, highlighters, all that good stuff. And I truly am a big supporter of Laura Geller. So what I want to share with you is the first item that I was sent, which is awesome. This is the retractable angle kabuki brush. These are, I would not use these at home. I mean, I could, but these are great for travel because they're retractable, so nothing gets dirty, which I love. So here's the packaging. And you can use this for blush to put your foundation on. I don't put her foundation on with a brush. I use a sponge. But this would be good to take to put on blush, bronzer, highlighter. I mean, you could take your color switch with you and switch it out. But these are great little brushes. So I'm grateful for that. So I wanted to share that with you. Let me try to seal that back up. I'm going to try to put things back in their bag so that I can try to keep things organized. The other thing that I was sent from Laura Geller is the Best of the Best Baked Full Face Basics. Right here. And I want to show it to you. It has a mirror. How am I going to do that? I'm going to have to block with something. Maybe we'll just use this paper. So this is what was sent. So we have the 3 eyeshadows here. I'm just going to try to show you this the best I can. 3 eyeshadows right here. Then we have the, and these are all the baked lines. So this is bronzer. Oops. The bronzer, the blush, and then her vanilla highlighters. One is like a matte finish, and another one has a shimmer to it. What a great little palette to receive. There's a little plastic case over it. I don't know how I can get that off, honestly. It probably just comes right off. I can see it trying to come. I wanted to show you the... Let me use my little knife and see if I can get this off. So I can... There we go. Take this little thing off. So you can get a little bit better look. The blush is Pink Buttercream. The bronzer is Tahitian Glow. And I'm just going to... Like, here's the bronzer. I mean, it's beautiful right here. The blush, beautiful. I love her blushes. So blush, bronzer, highlighter. I like the one that is French vanilla that's not shimmer, personally. And that I just put over here. Which one didn't I use? This one. And I'll show you the one that has the shimmer in it. And I'll come up here. So it's right there. So you can definitely see the difference in the... Put it right here too. Definitely see the difference. I do have wipes here. I'm not going to stick my fingers in the eyeshadows just because they are small, but they would be great just to do a quick neutral eye. Almond, Sunstone, and Oyster. And then use the highlighters, the bronzer, the blush, and all that. These are really pretty. I'm trying to think. I don't think I have that bronzer, Tahitian Glow. Pink Buttercream. I don't know if I have that one, but I do have like Pink Grapefruit and several others of hers. But this would be a great one to travel with because everything's included. Like I could just do a quick eye look, blush, bronzer, highlighter, and off to go. So this is what it looks like. Let me just walk it one more time so that you guys can see it. So thank you, Laura Geller, for so kindly sending that out to me. I greatly appreciate it. I am a huge fan of Laura Geller, so I'm going to put that back there. I wanted to clean my hands so that I don't have anything on them. I have another package, and I did order this. Let me just get rid of it. I am a pretty good user of Etsy. I love to support small business, handcrafted creators on Etsy. I've ordered shirts, jewelry, mugs, you know, you name it. I've ordered it from Etsy over time. I've placed a couple orders in the last couple months from Etsy, but this Etsy shop was brought to my attention by somebody I follow on TikTok. And the name of this Etsy store is Miss Belle's Bling. And I honestly don't know if that's going to show up on camera. I will post a picture of this card that has all the information on it. Etsy.com/shop/Miss Belle's, BELLES Bling is the name of her Etsy shop. Came beautifully packaged right here. And I do have it out because I wanted to share it with you. In each bag is a little, like a duster. Because there is, or is this like a protector for silver? I'm not really sure. Sometimes that helps with the silver, or you can, you know, clean it with that. There's one in each bag. I did get a little thank you gift that was beyond what I ordered, but I'll show you that first, the little thank you gift. Or a pair of earrings. And I have pictures of all these that I'll put at the end of the video. And these are little butterfly, sterling silver, high quality items. Uses Swarovski crystals when she's including them in product. Not cheap stones. Beautiful, all kinds of crystals. Amethyst, and I can't even begin to think. White pearls, colored pearls. And I love colored pearls. And this has a little pink stone on it. I haven't really looked too close at it. I have not worn them. They're the shepherd's hook backs, and you get the little plug, you know, to hold it if you need be. This was a free gift. I would assume it was in a little bag that said thank you on it for your order. Not necessary because, you know, I was more than happy to order and help out the TikTok creator that mentioned that this was, you know, Mom's store. So thank you for that. I greatly appreciate it. I can't wait to wear those little butterflies. They're always nice. And I wanted to share with you the earrings, and these are same shepherd hook. Look how beautiful they are. I love gray, and grays of any tone, and pink. My favorite. These are stunning, and these are not heavy, but they have a little bit of weight to them. I haven't put them in my ear. They're not going to pull your ear down because they're not that heavy. But they're, you know, the quality, the silver. Sometimes I've ordered stuff from Etsy, and when you get it, it already looks tarnished. And I'm like, I didn't even wear it yet. Real sterling silver. Okay? Not cheap. But the star of the show is right here. This necklace. It has some weight to it. It's not heavy. I did try it on. It's not like, oh my God, it's pulling my neck down. But it's not, you can just tell the quality. It has a lobster claw clasp with an adjuster, but look at the adjuster. There's actually the gray and the pink stone there, and these are grays, different sizes, pink, sterling silver, so beautiful. I'm just thrilled to the moon with this. I can't wait to wear it. And like I said, lots of adjustments depending on, like, sometimes I want up above my collarbone, slightly below, and this would definitely, you know, definitely work for that. I love that they included, you know, an adjustment. And then all the spacers, the little spacers, and at the very end, the, you know, the sterling silver balls there. But you could tell that this is well made, made with love, you know, talented. The stuff that is on her website is beautiful. Very well made, high 5-star review seller on Etsy. So I would love if you would, you know, take a look at her items on Etsy. I will leave all the information in my description box. Plus, at the very end will be a picture of her business card so that you can, you know, check it out for yourself. Great holiday gifts. Talk about shipping quickly. I ordered. I have no idea when I ordered it. Tuesday, Wednesday, maybe even Thursday last week. I had this on Saturday. I think it might have been Wednesday. I'm really not sure. I don't hold me to that because I don't know. But it was like a day or two. And then I saw a shipping notification and I was like, what? Like, that's unheard of. Usually it takes like 5 to 7 days before things ship. Shipped immediately. I had it this past Saturday. Now, I just opened it today. Today is Monday for me. I did not open it on Saturday or Sunday. They were just days that, you know, the weekend was just very calm, chill, and quiet for me. I just needed that peace, and I didn't open anything. Like, I've had the IPSY and BoxyCharm box. I've had these. I've had the Laura Geller stuff. I have Stitch Fix. I have Walmart. I have others. I didn't even open any of it. Normally, I'll like pre-open, so I didn't even open and look at anything. I just looked at this today. It's stunning. But so if I ordered it Tuesday, Wednesday-ish, got the order immediate, shipped it right away. I had to ship it by Thursday for me to get it on Saturday, and I received it Saturday morning. It came from North Carolina, so it's not coming far from me. I mean, up a few states from North Carolina. Ships USPS, right? USPS with tracking, which is nice. I don't want to show any information, either her information or mine, but ships USPS with tracking. Beautiful mailer, nicely padded, and everything included in a box with her card on it. So, you know, if anybody's looking for any holiday gifts, I would highly recommend. I mean, I have a few other things that I'm looking at in there that I think would make great gifts for the holidays. Ships fast. I think she has some discounts in her store on some items up till a certain date. And I'm sure you could still get it for the holidays if you order soon. You know, don't order the 20th and expect to get it for, you know, the holiday. But if you order soon, you know, you probably could get it before Christmas time. So highly, highly recommend it. I would take it as a personal favor if you would go check out our Etsy store, at least favorite the Etsy store, and take a look around and see if there's anything that you would be interested in purchasing. I think, you know, prices are fair. They're, you know, not hundreds of dollars. It was, you know, it was fairly inexpensive, but still, you know, it wasn't $20. It was, you know, I think around $50 or whatever it was, but definitely worth it, because you're not getting junk. You're getting real stuff. So, personal favor to me, if you would at least go check her store out and then favorite it, if you can get on Etsy, and, you know, take a look around. If you make a purchase, that would, you know, just let me know that you did. I would love to know that, because then I can let the creator that I follow know that people, you know, from my channel went over and purchased items. I think that would be really cool. So thank you all for watching. I greatly appreciate every single one of you. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye for now.